Greetings from Exam Heist. We have identified important exam questions. Practice these important questions 2-3 times to get 100% success in exam. Subscribe and comment, share PDF in the below comment section to get PDF of these 40 important questions. If you want to access full dump, please visit www.examheist.com. We have 24/7 support available for your doubts and exam queries.
Question 1. A data analyst needs to calculate the mean for Q1 sales using the data set below. Which of the following is the mean? Option A, $2, 466, 18. Option B, $2, 667, 60. Option C, $3, 082, 72. Option D, $12, 330, 88. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, $2,466.18. Question 2. A data analyst is creating a report that will provide information about various regions, products, and time periods. Which of the following formats would be the most efficient way to deliver this report? Option A, a workbook with multiple tabs for each region. Option B, a daily email with snapshots of regional summaries. Option C, a static report with a different page for every filtered view. Option D, a dashboard with filters at the top that the user can toggle. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, a dashboard with filters at the top that the user can toggle. Question 3. A customer list from a financial services company is shown below. A data analyst wants to create a likely to buy score on a scale from 0 to 100. Based on an average of the three numerical variables: number of credit cards, age, and income. Which of the following should the analyst do to the variables to ensure they all have the same weight in the score? Calculation. Option A, recode the variables. Option B, calculate the percentiles of the variables. Option C, calculate the standard deviations of the variables. Option D, normalize the variables. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, normalize the variables. Question 4. Which of the following actions should be taken when transmitting data to mitigate the chance of a data leak occurring? Choose 2. Option A, data identification. Option B, data processing. Option C, data reporting. Option D, data encryption. Option A, data masking. Option F, filter removal. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, data encryption. Option E, data masking. Question 5. A data analyst has been asked to organize the table below in the following ways. By sales from high to low by state in alphabetic order. Which of the following functions will allow the data analyst to organize the table in this manner? Option A, conditional formatting. Option B, grouping. Option C, filtering. Option D, sorting. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, sorting. Question 6. Which of the following best describes the issue in which character values are mixed with integer values in a data set? Column. Option A, duplicate data. Option B, missing data. Option C, data outliers. Option D, invalid data type. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, invalid data type. Question 7. Which of the following is a process that is used during data integration to collect, blend, and load data? Option A, MDM. Option B, ETL. Option C, OLTP. Option D, BY. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, ETL. Question 8. An analyst has received the requirements for an internal user dashboard. The analyst confirms the data sources and then creates a wireframe. Which of the following is the next step the analyst should take in the dashboard creation process? Option A. Optimize the dashboard. Option B. Create subscriptions. Option C. Get stakeholder approval. Option D. Deploy to production. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Get stakeholder approval. Question 9. A data analyst has been asked to derive a new variable labeled promotion_flag based on the total quantity sold by each salesperson. Given the table below, which of the following functions would the analyst consider appropriate to flag yes for every salesperson who has a number above 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in the quantity_sold column? Option A. Date. Option B. Mathematical. Option C. Logical. Option D. Aggregate. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Logical. Question 10. Given the diagram below, which of the following data scheme is shown? Option A. Key value pairs. Option B. Online transactional processing. Option C. Data lake. Option D. Relational database. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Relational database. Question 11. A company's marketing department wants to do a promotional campaign next month. A data analyst on the team has been asked to perform customer segmentation. Looking at how recently a customer bought product, at what frequency, and at what value, which of the following types of analysis would this practice be considered? Option A. Prescriptive. Option B. Trend. Option C. Gap. Option D. Custer. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Custer. Question 12. A publishing group has requested a dashboard to track submissions before publication. A key requirement is that all changes are tracked, as multiple users will be checking out documents and editing them before submissions are considered final. Which of the following is the best way to meet this stakeholder requirement? Option A. Display the version number next to each submission on the dashboard. Option B. Present a data refresh date at the top of the dashboard. Option C. Confirm the dashboard is adhering to the corporate style guide. Option D. Use permissions to ensure users only see certain versions of the submissions. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Display the version number next to each submission on the dashboard. Question 13. The number of phone calls that call center receives in a day is an example of. Option A. Continuous data. Option B. Categorical data. Option C. Ordinal data. Option D. Discrete data. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Discrete data. Question 14. A data analyst is asked to create a sales report for the second quarter 2020 board meeting, which will include a review of the business's performance through the second quarter. The board meeting will be held on July 15, 2020, after the numbers are finalized. Which of the following report types should the data analyst create? Option A. Static. Option B. Real-time. Option C. Self-service. Option D. Dynamic. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Static. Question 15. Which of the following would be considered non-personally identifiable information? Option A. Cell phone device name. Option B. Customer's name. Option C. Government ID number. Option D. Telephone number. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Cell phone device name. Question 16. Which of the following is the correct data type for text? Option A. Boolean. Option B. String. Option C. Integer. Option D. Float. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, string. Question 17. Which of the following should be accomplished next after understanding a business requirement for a data analysis? Report. Option A. Rephrase the business requirement. Option B. Determine the data necessary for the analysis. Option C. Build a mock dashboard, presentation layout. Option D. Perform exploratory data analysis. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, perform exploratory data analysis. Question 18. Which of the following is a common data analytics tool that is also used as an interpreted high-level, general-purpose programming language? Option A. SAS. Option B. Microsoft Power BI. Option C. IBM SPSS. Option D. Python. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Python. Question 19. A data analyst needs to present the results of an online marketing campaign to the marketing manager. The manager wants to see the most important KPIs and measure the return on marketing investment. Which of the following should the data analyst use to best communicate this information to the manager? Option A. A real-time monitor that allows the manager to view performance the day the campaign was launched. Option B. A self-service dashboard that allows the manager to look at the company's annual budget performance. Option C. A spreadsheet of the raw data from all marketing campaigns and channels. Option D. A summary with statistics, conclusions, and recommendations from the data analyst. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. A summary with statistics, conclusions, and recommendations from the data analyst. Question 20. A data analyst for a media company needs to determine the most popular movie genre. Given the table below, which of the following must be done to the genre column before this task can be completed? Option A. Append. Option B. Merge. Option C. Concatenate. Option D. Delimit. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, delimit. Question 21. An e-commerce company recently tested a new website layout. The website was tested by a test group of customers, and an old website was presented to a control group. The table below shows the percentage of users in each group who made purchases on the websites. Which of the following conclusions is accurate at a 95% confidence interval? Option A. In Germany, the increase in conversion from the new layout was not significant. Option B. In France, the increase in conversion from the new layout was not significant. Option C. In general, users who visit the new website are more likely to make a purchase. Option D. The new layout has the lowest conversion rates in the United Kingdom. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. In Germany, the increase in conversion from the new layout was not significant. Question 22. An analyst needs to provide a chart to identify the composition between the categories of the survey response data set. Which of the following charts would be best to use? Option A. Histogram. Option B. Pie. Option C. Line. Option D. Scatter plot. Option A. Waterfall. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, pie. Question 23. 5 dogs have the following heights in millimeters: 300, 430, 170, 470, 600. Which of the following is the mean height for the 5 dogs? Option A. 394 millimeters. Option B. 405 millimeters. Option C. 493 millimeters. Option D. 504 millimeters. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, 394 millimeters. Question 24. Which of the following are reasons to create and maintain a data dictionary? Choose 2. Option A. To improve data acquisition. Option B. To remember specifics about data fields. Option C. To specify user groups for databases. Option D. To provide continuity through personnel turnover. Option A. To confine breaches of FI data. Option F. To reduce processing power requirements. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. To improve data acquisition. Option D. To provide continuity through personnel turnover. Question 25. A recurring event is being stored in 2 databases that are housed in different geographical locations. A data analyst notices the event is being logged 3 hours earlier in one database than in the other database. Which of the following is the most likely cause of the issue? Option A. The data analyst is not querying the databases correctly. Option B. The databases are recording different events. Option C. The databases are recording the event in different time zones. Option D. The second database is logging incorrectly. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. The databases are recording the event in different time zones. Question 26. Which of the following is an example of wet flat file? Option A. CSV file. Option B. PDF file. Option C. JSON file. Option D. JPEG file. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. CSV file. Question 27. Given the following graph, which of the following summary statements upholds integrity in data reporting? Option A. Sales are approximately equal for product A and product B across all strategies. Option B. Strategy 4 provides the best sales in comparison to other strategies. Option C. While strategy 2 does not result in the highest sales of product D. Over all products it appears to be the most effective. Option D. Product D should be promoted more than the other products in all strategies. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Sales are approximately equal for product A and product B across all strategies. Question 28. An analyst is required to run a text analysis of data that is found in articles from a digital news outlet. Which of the following would be the best technique for the analyst to apply to acquire the data? Option A. Web scraping. Option B. Sampling. Option C. Data wrangling. Option D. ETL. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Web scraping. Question 29. An analyst runs a report on a daily basis, and the number of data points must be validated before the data can be analyzed. The number of data points increases each day by approximately 20% of the total number from the day before. On a given day, the number of data points was 8,798. Which of the following should be the total number of data points on the next day? Option A. 7,038. Option B. 9,600. Option C. 10,600. Option D. 10,800. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. 10,600. Question 30. An analyst has been tracking company intranet usage and has been asked to create a chart to show the most used, most clicked portions of a home page that contains more than 30 links. Which of the following visualizations would best illustrate this information? Option A. Scatter plot. Option B. Heat map. Option C. Pie chart. Option D. Infographic. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Heat map. Question 31. An analyst has generated a report that includes the number of months in the first 2 quarters of 2019 when sales exceeded $50,000 Which of the following functions did the analyst use to generate the data in the sales underscore indicator column? Option A, aggregate. Option B, logical. Option C, date. Option D, sort. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, logical. Question 32. While reviewing survey data, an analyst notices respondents entered Jan, January, and 01 as responses for the month of January. Which of the following steps should be taken to ensure data consistency? Option A, delete any of the responses that do not have January written out. Option B, replace any of the responses that have 01. Option C, filter on any of the responses that do not say January and update them to January. Option D, sort any of the responses that say Jan and update them to 01. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, filter on any of the responses that do not say January and update them to January. Question 33. Which of the following data cleansing issues will be fixed when a distinct function is applied? Option A, missing data. Option B, duplicate data. Option C, redundant data. Option D, invalid data. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, duplicate data. Question 34. A county in Illinois is conducting a survey to determine the mean annual income per household. The county is 427 square miles. 265 km. Which of the following sampling methods would most likely result in a representative sample? Option A, a stratified phone survey of 100 people that is conducted between 2:00 p.m. and 3:00 p.m. Option B, a systematic survey that is sent to 100 single-family homes in the county. Option C, surveys sent to 10 randomly selected homes within 5 miles, 8 kilometers, of the county's office. Option D, surveys sent to 100 randomly selected homes that are reflective of the population. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, surveys sent to 100 randomly selected homes that are reflective of the population. Question 35. Which of the following statistical methods requires 2 or more categorical variables? Option A, simple linear regression. Option B, chi-squared test. Option C, z-test. Option D, two-sample t-test. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, chi-squared test. Question 36. Which of the following data manipulation techniques is an example of a logical function? Option A, where. Option B, aggregate. Option C, Boolean. Option D, if. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, if. Question 37. A sales team wants visibility of current sales numbers, pipeline, and team performance. The team would also like to see calculations of individuals' earned commissions and projected commissions based on sales, but they want that information to be kept confidential. Which of the following would be the best way to provide this visibility? Option A, create a dashboard displaying a data refresh date so users know the current sales numbers and configure permissions to control access. Option B, create a dashboard for sales numbers, pipeline, and team and individual performance for the management team. Option C, create a dashboard with filters for the overall team, individuals, and management. Users can filter to see the data they want. Option D, create a dashboard with views for team, individuals, and management. Configure permissions to control access. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, Create a dashboard displaying a data refresh date so users know the current sales numbers and configure permissions to control access. Question 38. Which of the following is a characteristic of a relational database? Option A. It utilizes key-value pairs. Option B. It has undefined fields. Option C. It is structured in nature. Option D. It uses minimal memory. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. It is structured in nature. Question 39. A data analyst is asked on the morning of April 9, 2020, to create a sales report that identifies sales year to date. The daily sales data is current through the end of the day. Which of the following date ranges should be on the report? Option A. January 1st, 2020 to April 1st, 2020. Option B. January 1st, 2020 to April 7th, 2020. Option C. January 1st, 2020 to April 8th, 2020. Option D. January 1st, 2020 to April 9th, 2020. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. January 1st, 2020 to April 8th, 2020. Question 40. Given the following data tables, which of the following MDM processes needs to take place first? Option A. Creation of a data dictionary. Option B. Compliance with regulations. Option C. Standardization of data field names. Option D. Consolidation of multiple data fields. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Standardization of data field names.